from Jam Street Media.
There's a lot of podcasts out there, a lot of shows. So how do you make a show that a brand put together kind of stand out? So the first thing we do is look at their channels. Some brands have incredible channels. They have really good action on their Instagram. They have good action on their LinkedIn. They have good action on their YouTube. Those are the easy ones to work with because you're creating content for them. And doing, the content for them. And again, remember, this is a proposition of podcast is the top of the funnel. You've got video next. You've got video clips for thought leadership on LinkedIn. Out of the podcast, you got blog posts out of the transcript. So SEO value. So there's a lot that comes out of this, but you've got to be able to know how to do it. And what works for your kind of shows? What is the idea? So again, having a fully fleshed out persona at the beginning helps you then know who you're trying to target with your marketing. So we have companies we love and they're better at doing things than I am or we are. So Bumper, if you guys know Jonas and Dan from Pacific Content, they just started Bumper. Nobody's better at doing the kind of, rich audience development that they do. It might be not for your clients. Your clients, all of these have costs, and it's got to be able to you make a couple bucks, but also, working with companies that are doing it right. Now there was a lot of kerfluffle yesterday about what a paid download is, and a paid download is a lot of things. What it should be is that somebody is presented an ad and they decide from the ad to go listen to the podcast, and that counts as a download. So we like Mopod for that because they also give us amazing audience insights. Like that's the thing with any of these things that you're doing. If you're not getting good audience insights back to give to the client, don't do it, because that's part of the sell. Like, okay, I know it's going to cost X amount to get, this many persona targeted listeners, but we're going to tell you X about them. So, really flushing that out. Analytics, again, with any paid promotion, it's got to be, you got to get good stuff back because it's valuable to you. It's valuable to the brand. It's valuable as you create the content and know, okay, this isn't landing where we thought it would land. We can introduce you to those folks. That's what we do. And hopefully get you in good.